Hi friends, I brought in a video for you. This video is going to be on Lornex Tablets. Lornex Tablets contain 8 milligrams of Lornoxicam. It's made by Mick Olson. The price for the box is 358 rupees and the box has 20 tablets in it. Lornoxicam, also known as Lornoxicam, is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug of the oxycam class with analgesic, pain-relieving, anti-inflammatory and antipyretic fever-reducing properties. It is available in oral and parenteral formulation. Lornoxicam is used for the treatment of various types of pain, especially resulting from inflammatory diseases of the joints, osteoarthritis, surgery, sciatica, and other inflammations. This drug is contraindicated in patients who must not take other NSAIDs. Lornoxicam has side effects similar to other NSAIDs, most commonly mild ones like gastrointestinal disorders, nausea and diarrhea, and headache. Severe but seldom side effects include bleeding, bronchospasms, and the extremely rare Stevens-Johnson syndrome. This tablet can be taken twice daily. Pregnant women should avoid using this because this is contraindicated during pregnancy. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.